To use an offline version of PurityChrom 6 on your computer, install PurityChrom 6 as it was explained in the tutorial about the installation, then open the software. Go to the Software Settings in the tab General. Activate the option Device Simulation. The red writing in the purification window will always remember the user that PurityChrom 6 is only working in offline mode. An offline version can be used for different purposes. Getting familiar with the software and testing it before buying is one of the options. For that, template configurations can be chosen in the configuration window. Choose one of the templates and save the configuration. Afterward, the simulated system can be used in the repository window for writing methods and sequences and in the purification window for manual control and method performing. However, maybe you want to use your offline version of PurityChrom 6 for writing methods, reviewing, and integrating result files offline. For that, you could simply copy and paste the configuration file and related method or result files from your computer into the same directory on the offline computer. The default directory for these files is C, Program Data, PurityChrom 6. If the path program data is not shown on your computer, the option Hidden Items has to be activated under View. After a software restart, the copied system configuration will be shown in PurityChrom 6. Another option for transferring data files and system configurations is available in the repository window via the Archive function. To export data, mark the files of interest, use a right mouse click on them and select Add to Archive. The selected files will be transferred to the archive represented by a brown folder icon. Click on the Archive button and choose Save to decide about the storage location of your archive file. To import your archive data on a computer that is using the simulation mode of PurityChrom for data evaluation, simply choose the option Open Archive via the plus button. For transferring also the whole configuration data of your system to the offline computer, use a right mouse click on the imported data and choose the option Import Archive Data and choose a data directory for the system configuration. It is highly recommended to use for all configuration data the path C, Program Data, PurityChrom 6 and a subdirectory for each configuration. After a software restart, you will find the system configuration of the imported data in the configuration window. The same way can be afterward used to transfer the offline written methods to the online version of PurityChrom 6.